Hello all and welcome to Motodream. Today we're going to take a review of the all-new Apache Aura 310. The TVS Apache Aura 310 is the flagship motorcycle from the TVS Motor Company and has been launched in the December 2017. The Apache Aura 310 has been in development for over 2 years and the progression from the TVS Aquila concept was showcased at the 2016 Auto Expo. The Apache Aura 310 has been positioned as an everyday entry-level sport bike which will serve multiple roles that of a commuter, a touring motorcycle and even an occasional track bike. The Aura 310 shares its underpinnings with the BMW G3 Tenor and the motorcycle was being manufactured at TVS Motor Company in Osur plant. The Aura 310 is a result of the collaboration between the TVS and BMW Motor. The TVS Apache Aura 310 is set to change the entry-level performance motorcycle segment with a superbly built and beautifully designed motorcycle with a superior engineering. The Aura 310 go up against a range of motorcycles in the domestic market from the Mahindra Mojo and Bajaj Dominar, the KTM Duke 390 and the OC 390 and the Benelli 302R. The bike is positioned as a global product from the TVS stable and will be available in a single spec across the global markets. The Apache Aura 310 is available in two shades, the racing red and the matte black. In my personal opinion, I like the Aura 310 design and the racing red color is fabulously good and the reverse inclined engine with the ram air induction is used for better airflow. Ram air intake with reverse inclined engine makes upstream air being used effectively to pass through the air filter with ram effect, thereby giving a compact engine layout and optimum engine temperature at all temperatures. Advanced aerodynamics in Aura 310 is extensively designed and testing in the state of art. Wind tunnel has been held in best-in-class coefficient of drag to achieve the maximum downforce, minimum wind blast and higher top speeds. The patented deflector cowl along with the gill vents channel hot air away from the engine, giving higher ride comfort for the racer at any time on the track. The lightweight release frame offers higher stiffness with best structural efficiency for total control. The excellent dynamic response at higher speeds and ease of maneuverability to cut through the city traffic. The suspension are honed and tuned by the experts from Kayaba. The monoshock with monotube floating piston technology as hydraulic stopper with check valves, providing precise damping and smooth dynamic response to achieve the best-in-class lateral acceleration and cornering speeds. The liquid and oil cooled technology. In high performance Aura 310 engine, the engine oil heats up and loses its lubricating properties. The Aura 310 has 23 rows of tubes for optimized cooling efficiency, keeping the high revving engine at optimum temperature, delivering the maximum performance. We're gonna see the full specification of the engine. The engine type has a single cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-valve reverse inclined DOHC SI engine. The displacement of the engine is 312.2 cc, which churns out the maximum power of 34 PS at 9700 rpm and the Newton meters of 27.3 Newton meters at 7700 rpm. It has a bore of 80 mm with a stroke of 62.1 mm and the drive type is a chain drive and it has a single cylinder with the 4 valves per cylinder and the fuel system is fuel injection with Bosch closed loop and the fuel type is petrol and the ignition has a dynamically controlled integrated high. Now let us see the performance of the bike. The bike can reach 0 to 60 km per hour in just 2.83 seconds and 0 to 100 km per hour in 7 seconds. The braking of the bike is from 80 to 0 is 3.77 seconds to 37.49 meters. The mileage of the bike is 31 km per hour in city conditions and the mileage of 35.9 km in highway conditions. The transmission of the bike is mated with the 6-speed gearbox with met multiplate clutch with 9-plate design. Let's see the chassis and suspension. The chassis type is trellis frame with split chassis and the front suspension has the inverted cartridge telescopic forks and the rear suspension has a 2-arm aluminum swing arm with monotube floating piston gas assisted with a shock absorber. The braking has a double pedal disc with Bosch ABS, and the front disc has a dia of 300 mm and the rear disc has a dia of 240 mm, both has a dual channel ABS. The wheel size is 17 inches and it has an alloy wheels which shares from the BMW G310R. The front tire has got an 110 by 70 tubeless tire and the rear got an 150 by 60. The both are radical of 17. The bike has got a battery of 12 volt 8 amps and the headlight has got a bi-LED projector headlamps and the taillight has an omega shaped LED. Now let's see the bike in dimension wise. The dimensions are in length into width into height. The length is 2001 mm, the width is 786 and the height is 1035 mm. The wheelbase the bike got is 1365 mm and the ground clearance 180 mm. The fuel capacity of the bike is 11 liters and the curb weight of the bike is 160.5 kgs. TVS has done a great job and putting a lots of efforts on a single bike. It has been crafted by the wind and crafted for power and agility. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Motodream.